So yes, another episode of Our Road to Camelot. This episode is basically my final countdown before launch. This happens to be the Tuesday before the Tuesday I'm going to be leaving, so I have 1 week from today will be my launch date. So we'll get into all of that right after this. If I look tired, it's because I got up super early this morning and I have a moderate day ahead of me here. It's I'm doing a cardio rehab thing twice a week, and this is my second to last day of that. Thursday will be my last. This is going to be quite a week. I have a few things, odds and ends, repairs I got to do today, and you'll follow me along with those when I get back from the rehab, and then I have a doctor's appointment, and yeah, a lot of stuff happened today. So this evening I'll be working on a repair. You'll see that. We talked about the closet door. That's what I'm going to be doing. And then tomorrow my band plays the last gig of the season here on the 30th of April. So we'll take you out to that. And then every day after that I have things I need to do to be prepared to get out of here. So we'll have that countdown. So starting now, 7 days out. And all right, so as we saw before, this hooks onto each other fine, but when that clicks in, this keeps moving. So my plan is, I do need to tighten these up. I got a little L bracket there. Looks like there's also an L bracket at the bottom. So basically tightening those up will allow it not to keep sliding past each other. But once I lock it in, I'm going to go ahead and mark a spot at the base and put a screw in to keep the outer mirror from going too far. All right, so I ran a screw all the way through, so this thing is really tight on now. It's not going anywhere. So now that that's set, go ahead and lock that into place. When I pull this back, it stops, and I'm going to mark right down here and put in a screw right there so this can't go any further forward. So that should lock everything in. So I have a screw in there right now, so this should close. This will stop right there where the screw is, and this should go all the way and click, and it does. One project down. All right, so the end of Tuesday. This is things winding down. I actually finished off a couple other things I needed to get done today. One was I had my son, and I have a few other friends that have been asking about what I have done to lose weight and what I've done for heart healthy diet and a diabetic diet. So I wrote up my plan, and depending on what people think, I might actually do a short video on this. In a nutshell, I basically beat diabetes in 3.5 months. I went from being full-blown diabetic to right on the borderline of normal and just a hair into the pre-diabetic range. So yeah, I'm pretty much no longer diabetic, and I'm healthy, I'm losing weight and feeling amazing. So if you think this is something you want me to do a video on, shoot me a comment and say, hey, yeah, let's see that video, and I'll put one together. And I won't take up a regular Sunday at 2. I'll probably make it a bonus video. Starting Thursday, things get serious. So I have a whole list I'm looking at here. I made a list in Google Keep. Yes, I'm that over-the-top anal about these things. But every single day, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, even Tuesday, the final pack-up and going out to breakfast before I head out of here. It's all on here, and you'll be with me for most of it. So next thing you'll see is me tomorrow. All right, good night. True tell signs of the end of the season. Only one RV in the whole overflow area. Yeah, that's the short-term parking area, and everyone's pretty much gone now. My neighbor that was kind of next to me left this morning. This is Thursday. Already started my countdown things. I took a bunch of stuff to my storage unit. only to realize I forgot a few things. Like this black stand here goes, and I got my outdoor table over there. The outdoor table goes. So I got to take that to storage over the next few days, probably tomorrow sometime. Gonna need to get a haircut tomorrow. I got a whole list of things tomorrow. I have tomorrow off. It's Friday. I got a ton of stuff to do. So yeah, it's gonna be step by step, but I'm almost cleared out here. Really the only thing outside that I have is to finish packing up the table and chairs and the rugs, and just add the bricks to this big slab of bricks right here. I did that last year. They didn't disappear, so we were good to go. Getting ready to go. I actually confirmed my first reservation in Las Vegas, so that's actually going to come through. So I'll be at the Oasis for 2 weeks, and then 1,000 Trails for 3, and you'll be seeing that as that comes up. Friday, I go out, top off the propane tanks. Actually, finally, I had a problem when I had my tanks filled before. Be careful of this. The guy who filled my tanks overfilled one of the tanks. Yes, propane tanks can be overfilled. Up, now it's showing full again. The other morning, it had one light down. Now it's full again, so I don't know what's happening with that. Maybe because it's getting hotter outside. That's probably it. It's been hot, so therefore gas expands. And with the gas expanding, it actually went ahead and make it look full again. So I guess when it cools off, it should drop back down. I may not even touch that tank and just let it naturally go down. Yeah, but we'll play it by ear, see what happens. So this is Sunday, May 4th. Happy May the 4th be with you day. I haven't shot anything over the last few days. I've been busy working, however. I've gotten a lot of stuff finished up. Oh, light's not even working. I already have the office closed up. All the interior storage has been stowed away. Cleaned the windows this morning. Everything is packed up outside. Cleaned off the front cap. I did a final dump and put all the sewer hoses away. Been pretty busy out here. I actually picked up a grommet tool, and I put grommets in all my rugs. So I'm out camping, I don't have to worry about trying to weigh them down with things. I just basically have these big bolts that I screw into the ground. Yep, clean the back window. You already saw the rear camera. This trash can has seen better days, probably tossing that. I'm gonna get some water and fill my ice chests for the travel. I even organized the back of the truck. I really have very little left to do. So tomorrow, Monday, as my last day at work, I'm gonna basically finish packing up all the tchotchke stuff inside, and in fact I might even do some of that today. What the heck. So I won't have a whole lot to do tomorrow, and I think I had a couple things on my list, but you know, one last stop grocery shopping, so when I get to my first destination I don't have to think about eating out. I can go ahead and have something ready to go and have something to fix. Yeah, so it's all coming together. We are that close. So yeah, the 6th I'll be showing up in Las Vegas, and you will be seeing this video the Sunday after that. So yeah, whatever Sunday that is after Tuesday the 6th. What's that? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, the 11th? Yeah, you'll probably see this on the 11th. So yeah, happy travels, and may the adventure begin. This is Monday, May 5th. It is raining in Phoenix. Surprise area. It's actually kind of cold. I think the high is like around 60 some odd degrees today. Yes, I got my fireplace on, and I'm getting things completely packed up. I leave in the morning. I'm supposed to take my golf cart over to my buddy's place today, and it's going to be packed up wet. Not a good thing packing up a wet golf cart in. I'm going to be wrapping it up in a cover, so I don't know. I'll figure out some way, maybe bring a towel or two and try to dry it off the best I can. I'm sure this summer will dry everything out, but I don't want any mold to form before that happens. Okay, yeah, it's supposed to rain again tomorrow as well. According to the weather report, it's raining in Las Vegas, where I'm heading. I will be there for 5 weeks, so any of my friends in Las Vegas that see this, reach out to me. I'd love to meet up at some point. Rain's going to be off and on all day today, so it's going to be fun. I'm pretty much done packing up and locking up. All I have to do outside is just bring in the freshwater hose and the power cord, and yeah, everything else has been put away and packed up. Only thing on my little shelf there is stuff that's going to be going into the truck with me, my GoPros and my Old Smoky goodie bag. Oh, I'm hearing thunder. Yep, thunder. My water bottle, plant, and all that stuff gets set in the sink as I travel, and I have some towels to hold that down. My guitar and iPad stand that goes on the bed. I even locked up the TV. I only have a few things left to secure in the bedroom and just basic stuff in the basket that goes in the shower in the bathroom. So yeah, everything is done. Lock the seats down, lock the refrigerator down. So yeah, you'll be with me tomorrow morning when we get going there. But today I just have the last 3 hours in the activities office here at Sunflower. Hopefully I'll dry out the golf cart to get that stowed away. I'm kind of enjoying the rainy morning. Well, the rain's letting up a little bit here right now. I had a few thunder claps and then we're done. But yeah, I mean, the fact that I'm leaving tomorrow, it's not like I haven't driven in the rain before, but I don't like hooking up in the rain, so I'm hoping it's at least dry in the morning. And I don't like setting up in the rain, so I'm hoping it clears up in Vegas by the time I get there. But we'll see what happens. It's always dry inside, right? So I should be fine. So moving on, I'm not sure when I will pick this up, but you'll definitely see me tomorrow morning, and that could be next. So here we go. The saga continues. Well, thank goodness it's not raining. This is Tuesday, May 6th, and this is a travel day. Haven't said that in a long time. So yeah, I've got to load the truck up. I've got all my stuff that's going in the truck right here. It's only about 6:15 in the morning, and I had a horrible night's sleep. I think the anticipation was killing me. But anyways, I got bedroom slide in. I got the office slide. That was in 2 days ago. Refrigerator's locked down. Actually, they're ready to bring this slide in. Let's see. I never did this before. Yeah, that was not my job before. This is all settled in, so that's going to fit nicely right there. That's out of the way. So I'm going to leave this other side out. I got someplace to sit and wait, but I'm going to get the truck ready to hook up. You know, it doesn't feel that cold out here. In the 50s, I think the high today is not even going to get over 75, so it's going to be a beautiful day in Arizona. Amber's picking me up at 7:15 to go to breakfast. And yeah, that'll be it. I'll be hitting the road soon. So all hooked up. He's dropped me off for having breakfast and ready to pull out of here. Yeah, this is it. I'll be back in October. On my way to Wickiup in Kingman, and it is raining. It's supposed to be sunshine though by the time I do get to Las Vegas, so I'm looking forward to that. It's going to be cool today, but it's going to heat up pretty fast, so I don't mind driving in the rain. I just don't like setting up and tearing down in the rain. So far so good. It was dry when I packed up this morning. It should be dry in Vegas, so enjoy the rain.
stop on the freeway. Okay, this is the off-ramp. I think we have somebody stalled or afraid to drive. What the heck? All these people in Las Vegas, I think they're afraid to drive. Yep, this one car has them all stopped. Wow. I see blue sky up there, but this is nuts. You know, the worst part is you can't see the lanes in the rain. It's just, I remember this from when I lived here before. This is really, really awful.
In 2.5 miles, turn left on Parling Street.
Okay, that's my destination. I don't even see the light. Oh, crap. Ah. Is there even a light? The lights are out. Oh, that's good too. Jeez. Holy cow. That is absolutely insanity. Right, yeah, I heard Aaron was on the phone. My goodness, that was nuts. Okay, so this is weird. I'm hoping it's not blowing this direction. I'm hoping it's all behind me. Anyways, 1.5 miles, and we'll be at the campground. My goodness, my goodness, my goodness. Okay. Not fun towing in these conditions. I definitely got my cardio workout. All right, I need to get a shot of this. I gotta go across that to get into that building. Not sure how that's gonna work. That guy's almost up to his knees. Okay, time to check in. Well, I made it safe, and man, was that crazy. But I'm off and running again. I'm gonna be heading over to a concert with my son tonight. Yes, Vegas, not that kind of concert. This is a middle school band and orchestra program. So yeah, that's where I'm heading now. So I'm all set up, and this is home for the next 2 weeks. All right, so it's getting late. The concert was fun. My gosh, that was really, these middle school kids were doing amazing stuff. It was really cool. Anyways, I'm gonna end this video here. We got plenty to see in Las Vegas. So we'll pick it up next week with The Saga Continues, the Las Vegas connection. Anyways, so make sure you hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell, let you know every time I post, Sundays at 2 o'clock. Thumbs up for good measure, and I will see you on the road.